guys, so this is my last Amazon haul of the year 2021, and Amazon is currently running their end of season sale where they're offering amazing discounts on fashion and beauty items, and that's why I decided to shop for a bunch of stuff from Amazon yet again. And since I had already purchased so many things from Amazon this year, I decided to shop on a budget. So all of the items that I got are under rupees 500 and they are all amazing pieces. The discounts were so amazing that I got all of these things under rupees 500. So I highly recommend you check out Amazon end of season sale. They have some amazing offers going on, some really good deals, and the discounts and prices are unbelievable. All of the things that I have in here are under rupees 500. Just two things exceed 500 a little bit, but I promise they're all under 700. So without any further ado, let me quickly show you everything that I got in all of these parcels. This is the most bulky box, so I'm going to start with this. So these are the first pair of sandals that I got, and look at how pretty they are. The straps are in rose gold color and I think they look so beautiful. They also have this slight cushioning over here, so I think it's going to be really comfortable to wear as well. You can pair this up with Western, Indo-Western, Indian, with dresses even. I think this would look fabulous with all outfits. And the best part is that I got a 75% off on these. The MRP of this is 2,400 rupees, but I got them just for 575 rupees. And they're from the brand Mode by Red Tape. So it's a branded pair of footwear, and the discount that I received was amazing. Next, I'm gonna open this bulky parcel. In here we have another Mode by Red Tape shoe box. This is what the second pair of sandals look like, and I think they are so pretty. They have so many pearls studded on the straps, and I think they look so pretty. These sandals you can pair with Indian outfits and with Indo-Western outfits. I think they would look fabulous. And I again received an amazing discount on these. I received the 70% off. So the MRP of this was 2,200 and I got them just for 620 rupees, which was an absolute steal deal. Again, they have this soft cushioning over here, so it's going to be really comfortable. They look so stylish and they are also branded. The brand is Mode by Red Tape, which is an amazing brand again. Next up, I have some clothing pieces. This is what the first top looks like. It's floral and I think it looks so beautiful. This is how the print looks like up close, and this top is by the brand Harpa, which is one of my favorite brands on Amazon. The material of this is crepe and it feels really smooth against the skin, and again I received an amazing discount on this. The MRP of this was 1,300 rupees. I got it just for rupees 325, so I think I received a discount of 75% of this. Next up we have a top by Van Heusen, and they sent it in this bag, which is so cool. I've never seen any brand sending clothes in a bag like this. The bag is also of really good quality. It's thick and yeah, I can use this to store maybe a pair of sandals or shoes or anything. This is what the Van Heusen top looks like. It's so elegant, it's so pretty, and you can wear this for a brunch. You can wear this like pretty much anywhere for your family outings, and it's also got this embroidery thing going on the front and all of these pleats. It's a very long top, and you can pair this up with a pair of tight stockings or a pair of tight tights. I think this will look really good. The color is also olive. It's such a beautiful and elegant color, and again I received almost a 60% off on this. The MRP of this was 1,700. I got it just for 720 rupees. This is what the next top looks like. I got this just for the color. I think the color is so beautiful. It's got all of these shades of pink, purple, lavender and whatnot. I think the color is so beautiful, and even the pattern on the neck, I think it looks so fancy. So this would look really good with a pair of jeans or maybe a pair of black pants. I think this will look really good. You can also like style this shirt as a formal shirt if you just tuck it in. I think that would also look really good. Again, I received an amazing discount on this of 60 to 65%. The MRP of this was 1300 rupees and I got it just for 499. Also, the best part about the top is not just the color but also the material. It's so soft, it's very soft. Next up, I got this top, and I think this also looks so pretty. It's got such a fancy pattern on the front, and I absolutely love the color. It's such a fresh new color. I think it looks so beautiful. The material is also really nice. It's a thick material. Again, I received an amazing discount on this of 60%. The MRP was 1200 and I got it just for 499 rupees. Next up, I also got this top, and again I love the pattern that's going on the neck. It looks so pretty and so elegant. Again, the color is so pretty. It's a mustard yellow color which looks so bright and beautiful. You can wear this during the daytime, during the night time. It looks fabulous at all times. And again, you can pair it up with any pair of jeans that you like, or any pair of shorts, or even tuck it in with a skirt. This would look really good. This one I got just for rupees 499 again, and I received a 65% off on this. The MRP was 1300. The material of this is also very soft. It's sort of a very soft crepe material, not one of those crepe materials that bother your skin, but it's a very soft, body hugging, body friendly crepe material. Next up is again a very pretty top. This is a black polka dot print top, and I think it looks so pretty. It's got this pattern going on the neck which looks so feminine and so cool. And then again, it's got full sleeves and an elastic on the sleeve which makes it look very feminine again. Again, you can pair it up with a pair of skirt, shorts, jeans, whatever you like. You can tuck it in, you can keep it out however you like. You can style it as a formal outfit, a semi-formal outfit, as a casual outfit, or you can also wear it for parties. You can just accessorize a little bit, so you can basically like style it the way you want to, as per your style, as per the occasion. It's a very soft top. The material is really soft. It's crepe again, but it's very soft, and I received an 80% off on this. I got this just for 360 rupees. The MRP of this was 1600. So yeah, it's an 80% off. This is the next top that I got. It's so floral, it's so pretty, and it's so feminine. That is how the print looks like, and it's got this very pretty pattern on the neck, and then again the same pleated pattern on the sleeve as well. This is one of the most prettiest tops that I've ever got, and the material of this is also very soft. It's sort of a soft cotton material, cotton blended with something, I believe, but it's a very soft material, and I absolutely love how bright it looks. You can wear this during the daytime. It's such a nice spring top that you can wear during the summer. So I'm kind of gonna save this for the summer season. And again, I received a great discount on this. I got this just for 399 rupees. The MRP of this was 1500, so I got a 75% off on this. And this is the last item that I purchased. This is what the last top looks like, and I absolutely love how pretty the color is. It's such a nice English blue color, and then it's got this sequence work on the front, which again looks so pretty. This is by the brand Peppy Jeans, and I received a 60% off on this. The MRP was 1200 and I got this just for 480 rupees. This top has a very soft body hugging cotton material, and it's a full sleeve top which is gonna come really handy for me during this winter season. So yeah, that was my final Amazon haul for the year 2021. I'm surely gonna be purchasing a lot of items next year, like 2022. That's almost next week. I'm surely going to be purchasing more things from Amazon because I absolutely love their stuff. Their stuff is of such good quality, and you saw for yourself how amazing the discounts were. Like there were like products for 70%, 75%, 80% off in this haul. You saw that for yourself, how affordable all of these products were, and at the same time they looked so pretty. They looked really expensive, but they were so affordable. So Amazon end of season sale is offering the best discounts ever. You definitely want to grab your favorite items at amazing, unbelievable prices. So log on to Amazon and do shop for everything that you want, because these kind of discounts you're never gonna get again. So this is the best time to shop from their end of season sale. So yeah, those were all of the items that I got from Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.